The world of accounting is changing faster than ever. The question is, are you keeping up? Because if you're not proactively adapting, then your clients, your reputation, your practice, they could all take a hit. Today, we'll dive into the top 10 reasons why accountants miss financial opportunities for their clients, and how Money Insights could be the easiest solution yet. Let's face it, even the best accountants let opportunities slip by sometimes. You've got endless tax filings, compliance work, client deadlines, everything else. It's near impossible to find time and ask the question, how can I help my clients further, even if you really want to. A really easy example is you're swamped with deadlines and you've missed the opportunity to highlight a particular tax incentive to your client. Time goes by, they're too late to enjoy this now, and you've probably cost them some money. Here's where Money Insights changes the game. As a member, we help you work smart, not hard. We keep you up to date with vital funding and finance insights that you can pass straight on to your clients. They love it. They grow, you grow, everyone makes money, and the best part about this is you don't have to lift a finger. That is the beauty of this network. It's the easiest way to stay proactive and deliver value effortlessly. Everyone wins. Here's the hard truth. Your competitors are moving faster than you. You know as well as I do, the finance world evolves rapidly. New tax incentives, grants, funding opportunities, they're always popping up. And if you don't keep up, you risk losing clients to those who do. Example, an accountant might miss a new government scheme that comes out that's centred around energy efficient savings. Your competitor catches that incentive, pitches it to your client, which may just be enough to make them move. At Money Insights, we make it easy. The right advice at the right time could go a long way with your client, and we bring that right to your door. Let's be honest, clients expect more than just number crunching. For example, your client owns a commercial property. They probably will expect you to highlight incentives like embedded capital allowances. Now let's say you don't highlight that and a competitor comes along and mentions it to them. They then ask you about it. You then say, oh yeah, you can apply for that, but we're 3 years out of your purchase window, so you don't get to enjoy the incentive all in one go. We have to write down your allowances over the years. They're not going to be too happy about that. Money Insights not only highlights initiatives like this, we also have vetted industry partners that we can signpost your clients to. Here's the thing. Outsourcing is not a weakness, it's a strength. Let's take the R&D tax incentive as an example. An accountant decides to handle this claim internally. Not only has the accountant underclaimed, the client now has an open inquiry on the report. The main issue here, both the accountant and the client are both severely underprepared to go up against HMRC's investigation team. At Money Insights, all of our R&D partners have been vetted and they know the regulations inside and out. So you can relax and pass that responsibility over to the experts. If you don't embrace new technology, your practice becomes outdated. AI and automation tools are here and they are transforming the accounting space. But unfortunately, so many accounting firms are hesitant to adopting these new innovations. An example may be, let's say one of your competitors has jumped into the wonderful world of AI and they're using this technology to reach your clients on social media platforms. At Money Insights, we understand just how overwhelming these subjects can be. So we break it down to the bare bones simply to help you get started. Being reactive isn't enough anymore. Clients expect proactive advice. If you focus purely on compliance, you will miss so many chances to add strategic value to your client relationships. For example, let's say one of your clients needed help with SEIS or Series A funding, but you never picked that up. Without the right advice or at least insight into who's the right partner to speak to, your client will struggle raising the capital that they need to grow. At Money Insights, we share information and advice on topics like this all the time. Imagine having the perfect piece of advice or the perfect partner land on your desk just as your client needs it. That'd be pretty nice, right? Do you really want to wow your clients? Spot opportunities that they didn't even know existed. Look, different industries have different opportunities, but without industry-specific knowledge, accountants overlook these things all the time. Perfect example. Let's say one of your clients is in the food and beverage space and you notice that they're spending a lot of money on research and development activities. You could suggest that they start looking at innovation funding, see if there's some grants available. Or you could go one step further and introduce them to a vetted partner you have through the Money Insights network. Colour them impressed, right? That is exactly what Money Insights gives you. Instant access to the right experts exactly when you need them. Feeling overwhelmed by all the new trends? Don't worry, we've got you covered. I get it. The fast-paced world of tax, grants, finance tools can all seem really daunting. But falling behind is not an option. Imagine having courses brought to your attention like My First Steps in AI, My First Steps in Paid Advertising, to help you navigate these complex worlds. Would that be helpful? You'll see, at Money Insights, we simplify these complex topics and we put them into bite-sized chunks that you can plug and play into your business that day, all designed to help you and your clients thrive. Great leadership sets the tone for great results. For example, an accountant won't be exploring wealth management or funding strategies because that's not your day-to-day job. But wouldn't it be amazing if you didn't need to lift a finger, yet you still had snippets of this information brought to you on a monthly basis? At Money Insights, we bring a whole array of finance and funding partners to our webinars every single month, making it super easy for you to join, learn, and get matched up with powerhouse experts to help your practice grow. What you don't know could cost your clients and your practice. The biggest opportunities missed are those ones that accountants didn't even realise existed. Now imagine another firm brought that information to your client. For example, one of your clients has been paying inflated business rates for years, and no one, including their accountant, has brought it to their attention that they could actually check that rate, challenge it, and appeal. They've overpaid thousands, they feel let down, and what's worse is this information was brought to them by a competitor. At Money Insights, we bring simple and game-changing knowledge right to your table. And this knowledge could help you uncover blind spots, helping you find ways to generate massive savings for your clients. If you are an accountant and you're looking for ways to stay proactive and stay ahead in this fast-paced world, it may be time to rethink your approaches. At Money Insights, we provide on a monthly basis tools, strategies, and expert connections to help your practice thrive. There is nothing more important than adding as much value as possible to your clients. Don't let another opportunity slip by. Join Money Insights today.